Hey guys, Mike from Woodland Airstream here. Today we're going to display the 2024 Flying Cloud 30-foot Bunk Edition. Okay, we're going to start with the exterior. We're going to cut in the roof shots. I want to get up on the roof so you can see what it's like up on top of an Airstream. Then we're going to dive inside. Of course, this is all new. We're going to do a point of view walkthrough, which we have a GoPro on my head here. It's some fancy stuff. We're going to walk through this Airstream today and show it through your point of view, what you're going to see when you come into our showroom. But of course, right up front, you're going to have your propane tanks, 30-gallon tanks, 2 of them here, your power jack system, okay, up, down, complete power. You're going to have your storage compartment right up front here that's going to fall underneath the queen bed that we have up front, okay? You can also get this in a twin where you'll have storage on each side. Okay, all the windows open up nicely. This trailer weighs gross vehicle weight of 8,800 pounds. Okay, we have some awnings here. You can see the awning up here on this side is just going to come out a little bit. We do have a bigger awning on the other side. But again, apologize, all the windows open in this one. So you have your outdoor shower, your water fill, your black and gray tank fills and everything. All your hoses you need to hook up down here to drain. And then, of course, your cable and Ethernet cable connections down here. We're going to come to the rear of the trailer. You're going to have your rear bumper with storage under this flap here. All you got to do is lift up these, pull it up. You got some storage down there. Okay. Again, awnings here. A lot of windows in this trailer. A lot of windows. You got your other awning here, another storage compartment down here. Okay. Okay, we're going to hop inside. We're going to later go on the roof and show you what the solar panels and everything look like up top. So let's hop inside. Of course, our state-of-the-art door here. All right. So inside, tons of room. One of the most spacious trailers I think that Airstream makes. I call this the sleepover trailer. You can sleep up to 8 people in here. You have your queen bed here, your 2 full-size twins now. Not full-size twins. Your 2 full-size beds here. Of course, new this time is the bed up top is now a full bed instead of a twin. So you can sleep an additional person if you'd like. Of course, our lounge area, couch area here. But let's start in the front of the trailer. You're going to have your queen bed. Okay, storage up top, storage on each side. Again, if storage underneath. Again, if you do get a twin, you'll have storage underneath each twin there. Okay, your ducted air conditioning, 24-inch TV. Okay, so if you're laying down here and you're looking straight ahead, you've got a curtain you can pull in front so you can block all the view and kind of just keep it nice, peaceful, and quiet for you. Okay, if you like it open like I do and get a lot of natural light in here, you can open up all the curtains and you get the full panoramic view. Lots of windows in here. I mean, unbelievable amount. You park this anywhere, any angle that you're sitting, you're going to see outside. That's what I love about the Airstreams. Okay. You have your dinette here. You're going to fit up to 4 adults, probably a couple more than that, kids. You fold the table down, turn this into a nice sleeping area as well. But look at these windows. I mean, look at this. Like everywhere I look, I got windows here, windows here, windows here. I even have skylight up there with 2 fans. Okay, if I don't want to run my AC, I just want to come make some air go through. I'm going to turn the fans on, get them rolling. Okay, countertop, stainless steel sink and faucet. Your inverter, power here. Convection microwave oven. Okay, lots of storage in this trailer. Lots of storage. I mean, every nook and cranny Airstream used for storage, of course. Okay, breaker box down here just underneath your fridge. Your heat vent there, but again, lots of storage. Tons of storage. Drawers, cabinets. Got your stove here. Okay. All the storage overhead as well. fridge. Big closet in here. I'm going to turn the light on. You can see, I mean, I'm 6'2", and shoulder to fingertip, probably about 3.5 feet deep there. So lots of space. Store anything you need. Okay. We're going to come back to the beds here. I'm actually going to try to climb up in this and show you what it's going to look like when you're in there. But we're going to open up the bathroom here. You know, great spacious bathrooms. Of course, one of the biggest bathrooms Airstream has, actually with how big the window is. Stainless steel sink, nice spacious shower. Okay, close the door. But nice that it's tucked in the back on this trailer. I mean, most Airstreams you're going to see, they're going to have the shower and the bathroom kind of in the center as you walk to your bed area. This is great because this is pushed back a little bit, gives you nice counter space with the kitchen here. I think it's excellent. So we're going to climb up into the bunk here, kind of give you a perspective. This should take at least 200 plus pounds of weight. I'm under that, of course. And you can just see, I mean, it's very nice and spacious up here. Even for a 6'2" guy, I could probably fall asleep nicely. Just try not to get up too quick, hit my head. But you do have a vented fan here as well. So if it gets a little hot because that heat rising, turn that fan on and you're good to go. Now I'm climbing down. There's a ladder here you can grab. It's a little bit too much for me. I'm tall enough to climb up there, but if you got little ones or anything like that, ladder here, you can pull it down, hook it to these two items here, and up they go. Here's the lower bunk. Kind of climb in down here. Again, you know, I'm 6'2", just under 200 pounds. You can fit nicely in here. I'd sleep all day. Nice window down here for you as well. But that's the inside of this, guys. I mean, awesome trailer. One of my favorites, of course, being a family of 4. Kids love it. My 11-year-old, him and his friends would love being up top. My 7-year-old would love being down at the bottom. But windows all around.